my baby. Ain't nobody no place for my baby. Honey's on honey.
Be superstars. We've been rather wrecking car. What is at stake for us? Kicking up power.
Yeah, Lotto,
Yeah, we could be
the
superstars.
biggest.
So the pretty short time is
Ayy,
so we fell off the spinning tops.
yeah.
You guys, the end result is that this hair is absolutely fabulous. I love it. That was my daughter Autumn who installed it. It has body. I love the color. I love the fluffiness. I love the fullness. So you guys, I definitely would recommend it. This is 100% virgin hair by Osier hair. I hope that I'm saying it correctly, but I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna put the link below. So if you guys want to purchase this color hair, I'm in love with the color. Of course, they do have different colors if you're not into this color, but I really, really love this color. So I'm gonna put the link down below so you can just click the link and you can feel as fabulous as I do. Thank you for watching.